Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to generate text-to-speech using Google AI Studio. So, let's get started. First, open Chrome. Then search for aistudio.google.com. After that, click on Playground. Next, click on Models. Then select Speech and Music. Now choose the Gemini 3.1 Flash model. After that, you'll see several options. Select the option that best suits your needs. For this example, I'll choose Add VoiceOver. Next, customize the scene and sample context according to your requirements. After that, select a speaker. To change the speaker, click on the Speaker option. You'll see multiple speaker voices available. Choose the one that best fits your project. Once you've selected a speaker, paste your text into the text box under the speaker section. Now, click the Run button to generate the voiceover. Wait a few seconds, and you'll hear the generated voice. If you're happy with the result, click the Download button to save the voiceover to your device. That's it! Your voiceover has been downloaded successfully. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!